watch all the way through so you don't make the same mistakes I did.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. Welcome. If you're new to this channel, therefore make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. Instagram, I'm always active there. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and TikTok. Anyway, today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do this braids. It was my first time doing them, guys, and it actually worked really well. I can tell, like, I can say it did. Like, I'm very impressed that I was able to do this. If you know me, I'm braiding, and I really liked it. Like, I struggled a little bit with the first one. I literally started with this one, and then as you go, like, it gets easier and better. Make sure, like, when you do this, like, you detangle your hair properly. But anyway, you'll see me through the video. Let's keep this intro short. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so I blow dried my hair this morning just so it can be easier to braid, but this is my first time actually doing this, so this is a bit scary. People always say, like, this kind of hairstyles and like T-buns and stuff like that are for like little kids, and obviously, like, I'm 24 years old, so people always like, you look so young if you do that. But at the point, like, I'm at the point where, like, I just want to try different hairstyles, you know. And what if it's not my fault that I look young, you know? Like, it's not my fault that I do not look 24. So it's not because I don't look my age that I'm just not gonna try different hairstyles, you know. I've literally been on a mood to try different hairstyles, so I just kind of wanted to try them with you guys. So this looks so cute. So I just wanted to try with you guys. I mean, who says that a 24-year-old cannot do braids or anything like that, or cannot do 4 or 2 bands and stuff? Like, it's so annoying. But I mean, I just want to do it now, you know. I just don't even care what people say anymore. And I don't give a shit if I don't look, and I just don't give a crap if I don't look 24, you know. It is what it is. I'm 24 regardless, so whether I look it or not, I'm still 24. So that's what it is, right? So we got this too, and now we go to the fun, exciting part, which is doing the braids. Right, so I had a, let me show you first. I got this pack of hair, and this is Ultra Braid 1B. so the color won't be so black basically. And I'm using basically 1 pack for the back and 1 pack for the front. So I divided them into, I'm using my tripod like a stand for the curls for the thing, but yeah, anyway, so I divided into 2. So let's get this out. Right, so I divided into 2. So what I'm gonna do with this now is literally I put it about what do you call it, a hairband, no, what do you call this, how am I, an elastic band, yeah. So but it's like this. I'm gonna show you guys how I done it. So it's literally one like this, and you just go like that, I hope you can see, and then you just put this in the middle like that, and then you just do like a little knot like this, and then you're gonna take this and literally tie it to your hair here. So you're literally going to tie it like this to the ponytail. And then we can do one more. Okay, right, anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to use this, my real hair, and I'm going to add a little bit of the fake hair in here, yeah, and then we literally, but actually before we do that, I'm gonna leave a little bit of my hair like this, like just a bit more, okay, this much, yeah, and I'm gonna leave it out here. So I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna leave it out there, yeah, and then I'm gonna use a bit of the fake hair into my real hair, and then grab the 2 sections, and then we're just going to like braid it, right? Time, guys, come on, rate me. I actually done pretty good. First time adding hair, like I can braid it like this normally, but adding hair, this was a first, and you saw me struggling with these ends, but it actually looks okay. Like I like it. Okay, I can't wait to see all 4. So I'm gonna change batteries and then we carry on. Okay, so now we use this section here to roll it here, and you have to make sure you do it like super tight, guys, and by tight I mean like tight like this, so basically it looks tight and it's not like out. If that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. I don't know how. my video. I hope you liked watching this video. 2 things I must mention. Make sure you, 3 things actually. 1, make sure you watch all the way through so you don't make the same mistakes I did, because as I was going through I kind of changed a little bit because of my mistakes, but you'll see through the video, or you have already seen through the video. 2, make sure you have hair ties. 3, make sure you have like hair clips like these ones, because I didn't have them. I had a few and then I had to kind of go over my house to try find them, and then it turns out I had them on my vanity mirror, so it was just there. But you could have just, you know, just make sure you have them ready, because you need them if you take the bits out of hair like I did in the video. But yeah, those are the things you're gonna need to do, so just make sure you do that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you watch all the way here, definitely make sure you subscribe to my channel and you hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And also, if you did like this makeup and you want to see how I did this makeup, definitely I will have the link down here if I have already uploaded a video. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this one first or the makeup one, but whichever one goes first, I will have the link down here so you guys can see the makeup afterwards. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you watched this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my socials, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.